Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made this. It's my own version of a Nerf gun. I designed and built this myself. So what you'll need for it is a 1/2 inch in a diameter PVC pipe. It doesn't matter how long it is because you can set it to be a pistol or a rifle. I have it rifle. And then you're going to cut it into 3 pieces. One about this long. This is the storage tank for the oxygen, which will be used to shoot the Nerf bullet out. Here. And then the next piece is going to attach from a right angle to this valve, which is where all the air is released. So besides that, you also need an end cap, right angle, and one of these valves. And if you want to, one of these pieces that attaches onto it. I used it so that it would look more like a silencer. Anyway, so you attach all these pieces together with PVC cement, and the piece right here, it should be about this long, I would say. And then you just, oh yeah, I forgot, you need a bike pump valve attached to the end cap as hard in as you can. Anyway, after you do that, stick a bullet in there, Nerf gun bullet, and then put this bike pump on it. Pressurize it up to 100 psi. For me, it only takes about 3 pumps, and then just put this down. It shoots it very far. I think this one's like a sniper gun. So also what you can do is, if you don't have this piece on, you can attach one of these pieces on, pump it up to 100 psi, and then shoot it. That's like artillery. So yeah, this is the Nerf gun. And also, if you make it with about this size, I think this is a 1/4 inch, you can use mega darts. Okay, there you go. See you next time.